Hapdeng ke Phuh ke Phieng ke Maryland School ke Bedon Hamaulin Maukan Bhoi District kalayo ban penlong ye ke Annual Sports Day arhajar arpsau menta ke sengi ke arpu pratrik ubenai leber arhajar arpsau ye ke bala penlong Hamadan Shnong Maulin Maukan Bhoi District. Lalak ban sakhi baki kena pule kate ke school kilayo lat ban ya shimbenta ha kate ke sengi ye lekai ke bala penlong ye barok ki kena pule nadu ki hybrid ban ya shimbenta da ke jingkemen bat ka bakham sengutenat kalong baka jingi shimbenta jongki kena pule omtang ka penitenat yaki nong hikai Henry ka penitenat ru yaki kimi ki kpa ki balawan ban ya don ringkat ha kate ke sengi ban yu yaki sap ye lekai jongki khun jongki Nalor kinong peniat lane kinong hikai hakate ke school lawan bandon ringkat ru dau ba Celestin lingdo ubala sya khot sngeoba hakate ke sengi banlong kumukong san bat ban Pynkiew Lama kum kadak ke Jingplie no ya kate ke sports ladon lang ru hakate ke sengi dau ba Rocky Marwen ubade urang ba shnong jong ke shnong umsning proper b ke kong Samaria Pathau principal kate ke school uba rentathiang urang ba shnong Maulin ki kimi ki kpa jong ki khana school nalor ki wei de Habayo banya keren bat ka kong Samaria Pathau kalai thu ba ka jingsang ya kate ke school kadai ka jingyu I jingai jong ipa jong I late langstar nongrum bat hadin jong kan riuteri ubenai nailur arjar shpau ka kong Samaria kalayo ban seng ya kate ke school ya ka blatip hadu menta ka Maryland School Shushu kalaong baka jingpenlong ya kate ka Annual Sports Day arhajar arpsau kadai ban benrap haki khna omtang ban aya ka pule ka dangle Henry ban penia lekai khnang bakin yo lat ban seyala ki sap lekai nadu dangret haki kam sports baper bat bakin yo ya ka mat ka bakoit bakhya kumshi benta ban ai mensim shushu ya ki khna ki blaya shim benta ha ki te ki jingye lekai ki bor penia jong ka school ki la yo ru ban sam ki khusnam shaki khna ki bajob
To hoist the flag. And to declare the annual sports meet.
And with great joy, I declare the Annual Sports Day of Maryland School 2024 open. Kaktin paring kaong all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Tang kapule si pule, kot si kot, homework si homework. Kapan beti ya kajaping jongki kun gikti gijongi. Tiba niyo ka Sports Day. Kabamal season system. Kabangi peni om dari tangga jingnang jongi ban thok ban pulekot halai ban peni. Banginang ban mare sports. Nginang ban le drill. Nginang ban yale competition kata ro kabakongsan aga jingim ke jongi. Bat kawai kabakongsan tam aga jingim jong kani ka juk jongi menta kalong ba. Nadu ki kimikit pa. Nadu ki nong hikai. Ngi hikai ya ki kun ki jongi tangkum no ban job. Ngiklet ban hikai kipat daremru kamlele sisin ba pil ai ka best shot pilale tenge Henry klem job dan lemno kata kani ka benta ka ba bunsin ngiklet they ban job bait they ban long number 1 bait they ban long top Henry bunsin ubalong ba aru ubiang te ubalong ba lairu ubiang ubalong ba sauru ubiang tangba udai ban bu katong Kata kani ka bakongsan Bun nangi ngikwa bagi kunjongi kinlong number 1. Haka kelas tuntang uwe balong number 1. Omnon balak banlong argot. Dingi di ban hikai kikun kikti kijongi. Lada piala sports manda kasngiro. 100 meter race dan uwe banjok. Ubawan baar ude hinong jok. Ubalai ude hinong jok. Hala-hala kajingla kajongi. Dengan omkwa aban keren jerong. Ay ba kadai ka Sports Day, Annual Sports Day jong ka school. Kanlong kasngi jong ka jingkerku, ya pigi kena school, bat kumjuro yang ngi kikmikik pa. Nasko sarong, bakum kaying kasem, ikong Samaria Pathau, ringkat bat imedu, bat kihenman kipara. Pilaray, ban IT ka jingim ka jong pi, ban pensa priang ya ka jing start. ling baki classroom ban pensa Phieng Iaka pule kadang le hai ini isinong kibale se kiwi kim don interest ban seng school Henry Mapi pilarai ban seng ke school bat kaningi ke peni mane Mario poi ngalakeli i headmistress kat nongut kidon ki kena school i ong lais pa amde shu nomor barit tengah kermen akile kisnem ki banwan amde tang lais pa mo ka school kan sonang kiu let's say kan sapoi saki higher secondary but degree level ngimdon ka jing artatin titangki ne kikintin nakalang ka jonga nga kitbok kirang ya kan ka sports day kan long ka bajok nga kitbok kirang ya ka school ro kan long ka bajok ha ka jing shakri ka jongki ya kan ka dong mat ka
Infant group, gold goes to Marbella, silver goes to Phieng, bronze goes to Theophilia. The next group, spoon raised winners, girls, gold goes to Eugenia, silver Dakar Shisha, bronze Iban Rickman. The next group, spoon raised winners, boys, gold goes to Wan Shanmore, silver. Winners of spoon race, girls, gold goes to Meba Aimyang, silver goes to Kershaw, bronze goes to Mayfree. Spoon race girls, gold.
Keteng jonga kere Samaria Patau kere Bashong Basa kene Kishnong Maulen ti ngang ede principal Jonka Maryland School Ningkong kene ga school Maryland School kene ga school kaba ilayo I jingai I late Landstar Nongrum ita ide ipa jonga but kede Schwab in klad laisngi nagani ka perthei ila khot yanga bila ong Samaria pidei wansdang da school ha ke jing bom poi perkhat ha ke jing bom tip ngan le kum no ngal shu ong I to Henry ngam don idea and I have no interest at all in school after 3 days he passed away ila klat no nagan ge perthei ti hadin ming la dep ki kam ki jam na ka benta jong I that was on the 9th of July 2010 so hadin kata shi banai on the 6th of September 2010, I started the school. Nasdang yakaniga school daga jingyarap ke jong imay ibade I Marybelle Patau. The nadu kata STEM. We laid the foundation for Maryland School, but ni continue hadu kanigas ni but kumapio I menta pisaki dalaki jong kikmat. Maryland it is what it is all because of the vision of one man, Mr. Late Landstar Nongrum, and I'm just the founder and carrying out his dream. Kaniga school tang bansha to ipikindiat, kaniga family school. It's a private, unaided school run by family. We have 6 teachers from home. Namangadon shipongot kikintay, arngot kishinrang iwela klan nidon karwengot kishparamanta. So 6 of us we hikai school. And we have other teachers from outside, and then we have it is a residential school, both boys and girls. And hadu mentang la done 5 batch kibale metric exams, and we've had 100% pass percentage. So that is a little about Maryland School. Ka Jingplie ka jongi ya ka Annual Sports Day 2024 kam dam ka school ka long ban benrap hagi khana om tang ka Jingplie kumapla yo sngo ba I chief guest la ong ba nim day ban ai ha ki khana tang ka tho homework tang ka puli ka dang li henry physical activities is also important and lingba ka sports ni yo I yaki khana kumno ki shimbanta kumno ban long ki leaders kumno ban long shitali have a tray but ka team kumno ban long courageous ban long brave ban long confident and also to accept that even if they lose it's all right there's always a better or a next time